One, two, here we go, three.
Yo, I'm Goobie on the toilet, sitting like a boss, but my belly's got a problem. It won't let it cross, feels like a boulder stuck in my gut, and there's a big gold lock hanging off my butt. I tried math, I tried gas, I even sang a prayer, but that poop won't drop, it's just chilling in there. I'm sweating, I'm stressing, I'm clenching, my cheeks been stuck in singing poop songs for weeks. So call the doc or bring the key, cause this brainy butt ain't breaking free. But I'll keep rapping, I won't give up till I hear that plop, sweet victory in the cup.